Today we are discussing the CCNA-based interview questions and answers for Cisco Enterprise Advanced Routing and Services 30410. You can download the complete list of CCNA-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on Enterprise Advanced Routing and Services is: what are the advantages and disadvantages of static routing compared to dynamic routing protocols? Your answer should be: static routing offers simplicity and control over routing decisions, as routes are manually configured by the network administrator. However, it lacks the ability to adapt to network changes dynamically and doesn't scale well in large or dynamic networks. Dynamic routing protocols, on the other hand, offer automation, scalability, and adaptability to network changes but require more overhead and complexity to configure and maintain. Our next interview question is: how does the administrative distance AD value influence route selection in routing protocols? Your answer should be: administrative distance AD is a numerical value assigned to routing protocols to indicate their trustworthiness or preference in route selection. When multiple routing protocols provide routing information for the same destination, the router selects the route with the lowest AD value as the best route. The router then installs this route into its routing table and uses it for forwarding packets. Our next interview question is: what are the key differences between OSPF v2 and OSPF v3? Your answer should be: OSPF v2 is used for IPv4 networks, while OSPF v3 is used for IPv6 networks. OSPF v3 supports IPv6 addressing and introduces changes in packet formats and protocol operations to accommodate IPv6. OSPF v3 also includes additional features such as support for multiple IPv6 address families and a different method of handling authentication compared to OSPF v2. Our next interview question is: how does the EIGRP successor and feasible successor routes contribute to route redundancy and fast convergence? Your answer should be: in EIGRP, the successor route is the best route to a destination, while a feasible successor route is a backup route that meets the feasibility condition and can be used for fast convergence if the successor route fails. Feasible successors are pre-computed backup routes stored in the topology table, allowing for fast convergence without the need for recalculating the entire routing table when route failure occurs. Our next interview question is: what is the purpose of routing filtering and how is it implemented in routing configurations? Your answer should be route filtering is used to control the advertisement and propagation of routing information between routers by selectively allowing or denying specific routes based on predefined criteria. Route filtering can be implemented using access control lists, ACLs, prefix lists, route maps, or distribute lists in router configurations. It is commonly used to enforce routing policies, control traffic flow, and improve network security by restricting the propagation of unwanted or unauthorized routes. If you are preparing for any Cisco based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.